All right, guys, so I'm going to tell you my worst case scenario for Jasmy. We're going to get into that. But first, you all need to understand the total crypto market cap right now. And we're going to be talking about Fibonacci and certain zones I would be looking for to base off where the floor actually is, right? Like a lot of people are saying Bitcoin's crashing down to 44, 38,000. Who knows, right? But we have to use indicators like Fibonacci to understand, well, what has happened in previous cycles, where are we at today, and what's to come. So before I get into it, don't forget to drop a like. Would always appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. We are this close to 13,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all of you that are subscribed. And with that, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all just my own opinion, but let's get right into it. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame that you see here behind me. And you can see right now, we are trading under the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame. Never a good sign, okay? First thing you wanna note down. When we are below the 21 EMA, not usually the best, okay? It's bearish. When we're above the 21 EMA, it's bullish. You can see right here, we got back above the 21 EMA, bullish, total crypto market cap, okay? Right now, we're just kind of consolidating, kind of doing like this, going up and down, back and forth. So I do think a massive run is still to come, and I'll tell you more reasons why that is. But you also need to note that I took a Fibonacci from the old low, the old bottom. And the old bottom, guys, this was when crypto bottomed out back in about November of 2022. So almost 2 years ago, we bottomed out. I took a Fibonacci from this, brought it all the way to the high, and the total crypto market cap recently of this high was 2.73 trillion. Now the all-time high is about 3 trillion for crypto. So 2.73 is what we recently hit several months ago, and now we're just trading in a downtrend basically. So using Fibonacci from the low to the high, you could see that we obviously broke the first level, the 236 level, okay? But something you'll wanna note is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about a month and a half, we have been holding the 382 level on the Fibonacci, which is a very, very good sign. Now, this doesn't mean that we can't go lower. This is just a positive sign that if we can close this week above it and we can keep closing weeks above it, then the bottom is probably in and we can start to rally higher. If we close below this, I would say on a weekly time frame, and if we start getting some daily candle closes also, then I would be looking for this next area right here. So what is the next area? That is the 50 on a fib, okay? And that would just be the next area I would look for. The market cap would be about 1.75 trillion. Right now, as I'm making this video, we're at 2.05 trillion. So obviously that's gonna not be great with the cryptos you hold. Crypto will go lower if this happens, but a market cap could drop down about 15% from here. So what's my game plan, guys? Well, my bags are packed with most cryptos, and we're gonna get into Jasmy in a second and my worst case scenario for that. Basically, I'm all in on crypto. Not all in, I do have cash on the side. I have other investments also, but my mindset, I'm all in, which means if this is the floor and we start to run, I'm good. I don't really need to buy anymore. If we come down to the next fib level, I'll probably look to buy some of my favorite cryptos, right? If the total crypto market cap crashes down to the next area, being 1.75 trillion, I'm gonna start to look at some cryptos that I talk about, okay? I don't think we're just gonna crash from here. I think we will obviously go much higher. And I'll make a video later today. If you want me to, leave a comment down below and let me know of where's the top gonna be. For all cryptos, not just Jasmy, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, like where's the top gonna be when looking at market cap, okay? I just alerted the Patreon this morning, made a post about it. I have 3 tops where I'll be looking to take massive profit in these areas. Of course, we have to look at a lot of other things, but for simple terms, these are the areas that you wanna look for. So I'll make that video this afternoon. And by the way, guys, before we get into Jasmy, I did make a very technical video. This is the first video I've ever launched. You can get access on my Patreon. It's in the shop section. It's $125. It's me teaching you for 30 minutes about all this stuff, right? So I know a lot of you are busy with family. you got your job, you got a lot of stuff going on. But if you could watch this video for 26 minutes, I would recommend watching it over and over again and get lifetime access, and you start to learn about stochastic RSI, a little bit of negative divergence also, and knowing when to buy and when to sell. This is not a day trading course. This is more of a buy and hold for weeks to months and get anywhere from 40 to 100% returns. And I show you proof on how that was actually possible. So again, if you're interested, link is down below. The price will go up soon. We already have some people that purchased it, and it's very valuable in my opinion. As we look at Jasmy, guys, it's very simple, okay? We've called pretty much every move. If you've been a part of this, we first bought in at 0.005, 0.006. We talked about the run-ups. We talked about the penny and a half support. Apple News came out. It ran to 4.4, and now it's just been crashing down. We have an ABC correction that I feel like is in play. This top of 4.4 was wave 1 of 5. Okay, so I just showed you the floor, the total crypto market cap. Now this is Jasmy. I do think Jasmy will go much higher. But in this video, I want to tell you my worst case scenario. Right now, we're trading under the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame. We're trading literally just above 2 cents as I'm making this video. We take a Fibonacci from the all-time low. The all-time low, guys, was about 0.002 and some change, right under 0.003, okay? Also a ton of volume down here. But anyways, we took a Fibonacci, brought it all the way to the high of 4.4, okay? This is doing an ABC correction. You could see that it first crashed down there. We ran up. So the A was this first white arrow. The B is higher, A, B, and then what's next? C, okay? Now, with C, unfortunately, this could go lower because I have these arrows right here. Let me actually go back. We got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Elliott wave 1, okay? We got the ABC correction. Now, we did wick down, I will say, to a penny and a half. So we wick down to right here, which is lower than wave A. So that could be the floor. But guys, unfortunately, this will tell me a lot more. If we close a weekly candle below the 618 level, which is, I'll tell you, 0.01894. So literally, let's just say 0.08 or whatever, 0.018, right? We close below the 618 level, then I do believe we are going to go to the 786 level, which will be right here. And guys, that price is 0.012 to 0.011. This is what I've been talking about. This would be horrible short term, don't get me wrong. But in the long run, this would confirm the ABC correction, and then we could start wave 3, which I've given you my price targets of wave 3. So just mentally be prepared for this if this does happen. Just want to be honest with you guys, really where I'm at. I'm playing both sides right now. I'm not selling at this price, so I'm going to be holding through. And then for Jasmy, I will buy more if we reach this point. Have a great day, guys.